Welcome to Keks, Construction Engineering. Building a durable shed doesn't have to be a multi-week project. In this guide, I will demonstrate the precise engineering workflows used to build a structurally sound 10 by 15 shed in record time. We will cover every critical phase from setting out the foundation to wall framing, roof framing, and finally, installation and finishes. Follow this step-by-step construction guide to master the process of building a durable shed faster from foundation to roof. Now, let's move to site. The foundation of a durable shed build starts with a precise layout. Let's begin the setting out process of this 10 by 15 shed by establishing our control lines and verifying the exact diagonals to ensure a perfectly square footprint. We will utilize the 3-4-5 rule to efficiently lock in flawless 90-degree corners before excavation. After establishing the 4 corners, measure and ensure that the 2 diagonals are equal before excavation. Excavating 20 inches into the ground. Pour in fresh concrete up to 10 inches and install a smaller diameter rebar cage to control shear. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Pouring of footing concrete. We will now install and embed foundation anchors to ensure secure structural anchorage for the shed framing. Level and align the foundation anchors to grid lines. Formwork removal. Ensure proper curing of the concrete. Let's inspect before moving to the next phase of work. Having completed the shed foundation successfully, now, let's install the floor frame of the shed. To ensure a rock-solid foundation and eliminate any floor deflection, we are upgrading our floor frame to pressure-treated 2x8 joists, spaced at 18 inches center to center. This creates an incredibly rigid, heavy-duty platform capable of supporting substantial weight. Ensure the 4 corners are properly squared and nailed. You can use speed square or builder square. Please note that joist sizing and spacing are directly determined by your structural span and expected load criteria. As spans increase or structural demands grow heavier, larger member profiles and tighter spacings are required to safely transfer the load. Ensure you nail every joint properly. For the subfloor decking, we are installing 3/4 inch tongue and groove plywood. This thickness provides maximum structural rigidity and works seamlessly with our 2x8 joists to eliminate any floor deflection under heavy equipment. The wall frames were prefabricated off-site using 2x4 structural studs and a 2x6 plates at the base for superior moisture resistance and durability. During the framing process, standard openings were created to accommodate all planned door and window installations. Now, let's begin the installation of these prefabricated wall frames according to our layout. We will now plumb the wall panels, ensuring they are perfectly square and vertical before permanently securing them to the floor frame. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Following the same procedure, let's rapidly install the remaining wall panels. Having completed the wall framing and installation, let's now proceed to the roof framing. For this shed, we are using a classic gable roof. To keep this project moving efficiently, I'm going to fast forward through the roof framing process. If you want a complete, step-by-step breakdown of exactly how to cut and frame a gable roof from scratch, I've got a dedicated tutorial on that. I'll drop the link in the description and pinned comment below. Installation of common rafters. Installation of collar beams. Collar beams are installed horizontally between opposing rafters to prevent the roof from spreading or sagging under heavy loads by securely tying the rafters together. Purlin overhangs are extended beyond the end rafters to form the roof gable's edge, providing critical structural support for the roof covering while shielding the exterior walls from sun and rain. Installation of 2x3 purlins. Nailed properly. Installation of prefabricated gable frame. Installation of fascia. Installation of corrugated roofing sheet. Installation of gable vent. Now, let's quickly build the stoop, also known as the entrance steps. Now that the structural shell is complete, let's step inside the shed to inspect our progress before we begin installing the windows and doors. Installation of windows. Door winstallation. Good, there you have it. Through this step-by-step construction animation guide, we've covered the complete, accelerated workflow for building a shed from the foundation to the roof. If you're ready to dive deeper into building layouts, setting out, or advanced gable roof framing, be sure to check out the dedicated video tutorials linked in the description and pinned comment below. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Thanks for watching.